Hey guys, it's me Umbra. Today's Forsaken game is just to show the new map from Flood Escape. Also, I'm using a new skin for Builderman, it looks cool. I remember I played the original Flood Escape with my good friend Not_Mango. Are we for real, man? We are literally right there. Bro again. Literally the entire time he was just after me the whole match. Damn, I'm low on health. He's really desperate for me to die. Elliot didn't even try to help me, but that's alright. I'm a heal with a dispenser. Finally, the match ended. Well, that's it for today. See y'all soon.